Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about compound interest. You might be wondering, what exactly is compound interest? Well, let's break it down. Albert Einstein once called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world, saying, "He who understands it earns it, he who doesn't pays it." He even described it as the most powerful force in the universe and the greatest mathematical discovery of all time. So why is compound interest so special? Because it helps your money grow exponentially, making it the ultimate key to long-term wealth creation. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into this powerful concept. Compound interest plays a vital role in India's economic growth by encouraging long-term investments and wealth accumulation. As businesses and individuals reinvest earnings, the economy benefits from exponential growth. Higher savings and investments boost capital for infrastructure, technology, and innovation. In 2025, India's GDP is expected to reach $4.2 trillion, with per capita income at 2.12 lakh rupees. By 2050, India's GDP could soar to $30.32 trillion, and per capita income may rise to 17 lakh rupees, an eightfold increase. Currently the world's fifth largest economy, India is set to become the third largest economy by 2027 thanks to the power of compound growth. Over the past 30 years, 1995 to 2024, compound interest has played a crucial role in growing wealth across various investments. Let's see how different options performed. PPF grew at a steady 8.4% CAGR. FDs offered returns at 7.5% CAGR, gold saw a growth of 11.1% CAGR, silver performed at 9.7% CAGR, Sensex delivered an impressive 14.3% CAGR, and Nifty 500 outperformed with 15.7% CAGR. CAGR means compound annual growth rate. These figures highlight the power of reinvested returns, feed on driving exponential growth over time. If we compare the returns, bank deposits grew to 3,20,000 rupees, gold reached 8 lakh rupees. But look at the remarkable performance of Sensex. It grew to an astounding 77 lakh rupees, a 770-fold increase. This is the true magic of compound interest. While traditional assets like bank deposits and gold offer stable returns, it's equity-based investments like Sensex and Nifty that showcase the real potential of compound growth. With higher growth rates, they help multiply wealth significantly over time. Compound interest is the secret behind building long-term wealth, especially in stocks and mutual funds. How compound interest works? If you invest 6,000 rupees per month for 25 years at a 12% CAGR, your money will grow exponentially due to compound interest. Here's how the investment would grow over time. After 5 years, 4,87,136 rupees. After 10 years, 13,45,637 rupees. After 15 years, 28,58,608 rupees. After 20 years, 55,24,981 rupees. After 25 years, 1 crore 2 lakhs, 24,041 rupees. So your total deposit would be 18 lakhs rupees and the total interest you would earn is 84 lakhs 24,041 rupees. This is the magic of compound interest. A small consistent investment grows into a substantial amount over time thanks to the power of compounding. So don't waste time. If you want to grow your money through compound interest, contact us today. Our expert team will guide you on the best plans tailored to your needs. In the next video, we will discuss which plans are best for compounding interest. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your family. Thank you.